Hey, it's your girl, Fonda Hatmaker.
And Randy Hatmaker with Hatmaker Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. And today we are in
Hillsboro, Tennessee at our newest luxury listing.
at 226 Hills Drive in Hillsboro, Tennessee. The home is located in Blue Springs subdivision here in Hillsboro. It's on 0.08 of an acre and features its own saltwater in-ground pool.
They're gonna love the covered patio where you can relax, have a cookout, gather with friends around that pool. The beautiful thing about this property is there are two homes under one roof. This home boasts tile floors throughout, plantation shutters, but the best part is the solar panels. It's gonna save you thousands a year.
With the solar panels, the electric bill averages about $117 a month.
So you have two natural gas fireplaces as well as a fire pit by the pool. You also have two tankless water heaters so that you have an endless supply of hot water. The primary bath is like your own personal spa with a clawfoot soaking tub and a huge walk-in shower with the rainfall shower head.
With over 5,000 square feet, this luxurious custom-built home sits in a peaceful country setting.
And not one, two gourmet kitchens. As you see, large islands, double oven, stainless steel appliances, and lots of cabinetry, custom cabinetry. But you also have that separate pantry. Everything's right at your fingertips.
In this high-end subdivision with all the utilities underground, you feel very secluded, but you're convenient to I-24, just minutes from town, but without all the noise.
I can see myself after a long day's work just jumping in the pool to relax, drying off, and enjoying the sunset on the covered patio.
You'll love the 3-car garage, the immaculate lawn, and if you're a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, we got a surprise for you.
But if you don't like that room, you can change it. So to view this beautiful, extraordinary home, call your agent or give us a call.
We're Hatmaker Homes, and we're selling real estate
One friendship at a time.